When you upload an artifact, there are certain requirements to creating a new post. So the first thing you're going to do, go to the year by which you need to upload your artifact, and you're going to click on New Post. There are certain projects that you're able to upload to your portfolio. And so in order to first figure out what type of projects you can upload, you need to go to the portfolio of work main web page. And to find that, if I hit the back button here for a second, you're going to first go to the Bedford High School website. Underneath the students menu, there is a subpage that says BHS Portfolio of Work Site. When you go there, that's where you'll find this website, where it will showcase all the important information that you need. If you hover over your appropriate class, you will find a subpage that says List of Acceptable Projects. This is where you will go to find those projects that you could in fact upload. So you'll see here that these are the names of the projects, here are descriptions, and you scroll over, it will tell you the type of artifact it is and the standards that it meets. Okay, so that's your first step. Once you know the project that you're going to actually upload, you go to your post and you rename it. So we'll say that we're doing the virtual museum project. Okay. There are 6 pieces of information that you have to include for every upload. So if you go back to that portfolio of work page website, and you hover over your class again, you're going to go to the subpage that says Uploading Artifacts. Here on this particular page, you will find those 6 things that you have to include for your post. So the easiest way is to highlight it, copy it, go back to your post, and paste it in. Now you'll notice right away that it will have the background of the original site. So you might want to highlight that, and you can come up here and you can change the background, and also know that you can change the colors of your text. You can change the font. You could do whatever, because this is your portfolio. So then you'll just come in here and you'll actually fill in that information. So let's say virtual museum project. And then fill in all the other tools and software, and then you fill in the course. Then you come to description. It says to go to the list of approved projects, Google Spreadsheet. So I'm going to delete all of that. I'm going to go back to the portfolio of work website, and I'm going to go back to that list of acceptable projects, Google Spreadsheet. So if we're saying I'm doing the virtual museum, I want to copy this description. So to copy a cell in Google Spreadsheet, you have to do a right click. Do a right click on a laptop. On a Mac, it's control click. And then you copy. Then you go back to your post, and then you paste it in. Reflection, this is where you're going to have to write a paragraph. There's no right or wrong answer. Some questions to think about is like, what is something you learned? Maybe there was a new tech thing that you learned from that project, or you could talk about the project itself, what you liked about it. It can be anything, just a reflection about what you did. Then when it comes down to project, this is where you're going to get rid of that text, and you're always going to include the link to that particular project. So in this case, I'm going to write the words link to project, or you might write link to document, or you might write link to website. You're going to write those 3 words. I'm going to stop here because there's several different ways by which you can upload artifacts. So you're going to need to watch the other videos to see the finished product.